All right, so I'm going to begin with a little small explanation of the project. So it's called Education Notification Blocker. Essentially, the goal of it is to, whenever you're browsing your school's website, you're on Blackboard, you're using Microsoft 365. I did tune it specifically for Lamar. Or you're even using Google Docs. What it'll do is it'll turn off all notifications as long as you have the server running. So here we go. This is the project layout. Shows all this. Da, da, da. So I did have AI generate this README because I was strapped for time. Let's open right here. Not that one. That one I can close. But we have this one right here. So here's the base folder. These don't have to worry about. Same with this and this. And your package.json. Actually, we can open this in VS Code and we'll open it down here. So it's very simple. The main file is not existent. That'll have to be updated a later time. Anyways, there's 3 scripts you run. Get dependencies, which is going to install the requirements in your source for the Chrome extension as well as for the system app. And then build, which is going to build the extensions. It's going to go into those directories and build them for you. And then afterwards, there's start. That essentially runs the server. So we'll go ahead and run it down here. Just for an explanation. Go to npm run git dependencies. It's going to run them, installing the file paths. We're going to go npm run build. There we go. It's going to build the directories. Everything compiled okay. Now, we're going to go npm run start. And there, see, shows this started and started in this directory. That's what we're running. And we're going to use .environment, inject from the environment file. And it is going to load the base installation config, which is going to be lamar.edu. Track Blackboard, track Microsoft 365. Do not track Google Workspace. And it's going to listen on your local host at 42424. Prior to this, what you would want to do is you go to your Chrome. You go to the right and go to your extensions. Manage extensions. You don't want to see all this. Anyways, we're going to go to this one, which is the School Watcher. To install it, you'll want to go to Load Unpacked. As long as you have developer mode on, Load Unpacked. Let me see 1 second. It's going to be, you're going to go find the directory in which you installed the application, which we have right here. Go into source, Chrome extensions, and this is the exact file path you want to load, is Chrome extension. Hit select. It loads the extension. It'll show you if there's any errors, but it should not load with any errors. We're going to go here and we're going to click Service Worker. And we're going to X this out now. So now we have our Service Worker. Because it does involve that, and that's how we're able to track the pages in the background. Here it says System Apps Offline, so the extension tracking is paused. Fetching's failed. So now we're going to run the program again. npm run start. It is listening. Minimize this. Fetch failed. Loading. So now it's going to do its thing. I'm going to keep this open in the background. We're going to put it right here. About like this. We're going to go. So as you can see, uncaught and promise reference error, process not defined. That was something that I never finished. So it finished loading, which is good. When it finished loading, that means that we are now pretty much, it knows the app is running. Up here is the system tray icon, which is part of it. Education notification blocker. If you right click it, you can click this. Oh, y'all can't see it. Oh, it's the wrong screen. Oh, all right, hold on 1 second. Let me do this then. Add source. Can't do a window capture. Yeah, we're just gonna switch the screen real quick. Okay. Don't worry about all that. It's just fucking this. Freaking this. Here. So I said it's wherever you click on the option, which is education notification blocker, it pulls up the GitHub repository for it. However, the base one is going to go to this, and it's usually not this small, so that should close it out completely. So I never finished this, modifying this, but you can modify your domain right here. You can set these off or on. And then we're going to go and change this right over here. Back to this. Now, see what happens when we go to Lamar. Alright. So now, it should is the key word, be running. Make sure I got it running. Let me try Blackboard real quick. I made too many changes at the end of it. Oh, no. Stay tuned. All right, I got it working again. There was a minor error. The error was simply I don't even know how to explain it. It was I had the one process environment was being called in a Chrome extension, which it's not allowed to do. Anyway, so it loads every information from loaded tabs whenever they change. So like new tab, it's going to get new information. We're going to go to Blackboard post. It posted an event because now guess what? We're on Blackboard, so it's uploading that information. And then if I go here to my notifications and I go to here, it's on Do Not Disturb. Now, let's get out of Blackboard and Lamar, right? So now we're out of those. It's off. Bam. I print this up top. Go again. Lamar. Bam. Fixed. All right. That's exactly how it works. Very simple to do. Okay. That's about all I can do for this in time. Stop recording.